I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could.
Hi guys, so let's start. I already did my brows and I'm just gonna prime my eyelids with a concealer and then I'm going to get a brush, plus I'm gonna blend it out sa eyelids. By the way, I'm using a parang nagvo-vertical video ako ngayon kasi wala lang. Napansin ko kasi na mas close siya. Like, you can really see what I'm doing kapag i-vertical video ko. Wet n Wild Photofocus Pressed Powder. This is a light powder. Like, hindi siya light na ano. Parang yung formula niya, very light lang. And just enough to set the concealer in place. So, for the eyes, I will be using the Morphe 35B palette. First color na gagamitin ko is the yellow shade. So, this is the yellow shade. I'm just using a really fluffy brush. This is the blending brush from Glad King.
I should make a move on, and if I don't let you know, then I won't be for it. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true.
And then after that, I'll get the orange shade. Syempre orange kasi nga sumusunod tayo sa rainbow, di ba? And then ilalagay ko siya dito sa may gitna.
That it becomes so true. There ain't no love for me. It's only with what you go through. I wanna be.
And then, with a tinier brush, and then, lalagay ko ng yellow dito sa may gitna. As in, biblendan ko lang siya ng yellow. Para mag-ombre siya.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be.
And then, I'm going in with the yellow shade again. Just to blend out the harsh edges. After nyan, I'm gonna get another fluffy brush. And then, i-dip ko siya sa red. And I'm gonna carefully blend this inwards. And also dito sa may naka-outer. I'm not gonna wing this out. Kaya I'm really focusing it dito sa part na to. Kasi I don't want that harsh line. Yung parang naka-wing. Ayoko nun. Kaya I'm really careful na hindi ko siya i-drag palabas. So, I'm just gonna dip sa yellow again. And then i-blend ko yung taas para very smooth.
Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be.
Now, after nyan, I can already intensify the orange kasi medyo na-wash out siya ng red. And then, blending it again with a fluffy brush para walang harsh lines. Now, after nyan, we're gonna go in with the indigo color. And lalagay ko siya dito. And ilalagay ko siya dito sa may outer corner. Medyo patchy yung violet na to, kaya ilalagay ko lang siya dyan with a really tiny brush. Tapos, i-blend out ko siya palabas with a brush like this.
Make a move on, and if I don't let you know, then I won't be for it. I could be.
So, I'm not really dragging it sa ano ha, kasi i-blend ko siya. Bale, I'm just packing the color in. And saka na ako mag-blend. Mali. Wrong brush.
Wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so.
And then, slightly dipping the blending brush dun sa violet kanina. And just slightly, blending the colors out together with the red shade. I'm gonna blend it with the red shade. Yung brush kanina with the red. Now, after the purple, it's the blue. But I'm gonna proceed with the green first. So, shimmer na green yung gagawin ko. And babasain ko lang yung brush. And from the same palette, ilalagay ko siya sa may inner corner. Hindi na ako nag-cut crease kasi medyo nagiging patchy yung color kapag nagka-cut crease ako. Like, pag pumapatong siya sa concealer, nag-iiba talaga yung kulay niya. So, ayan. So, maybe I'll use this one. Ito. But I don't know. Sige, I'll try. So, I use this for my... Oh my god. Wait lang. It's too much.
So true, there ain't no other for me. It's only with what you go through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with others. A day alone. I wanna be down.
Lastly, I'm gonna use the purple shade. Itong pinaka parang royal violet na shade sa Jaclyn Hill palette. Kasi walang ganun na shade dito sa 35B. So, I'm gonna use this to connect yung purple kanina and yung blue ngayon.
So true, there ain't no other for me. It's only with what you go.
After that, syempre meron na tayong ganyan. Now, meron yung 35B palette na yellow shimmer shade, which is really nice. And kulang tayo sa yellow, so babawiin natin siya sa shimmer. Kukuha ko ng pencil brush. Lagay ko siya dito sa may yellow shade. Ilagay ko siya dito sa may inner corners. It doesn't look yellow though. But it's yellow, so... And also yellow din dito sa brow. Di siya makukompleto if walang glitter liner. And then I'm gonna carefully line That's gonna make parang yung illusion na nag-cut crease ako, pero hindi talaga.
I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you.
Now, since this looks a little bit too metallic, medyo nabawash out yun dito sa inner corners. Kaya lalagyan ko rin yun ng glitter. Para mag-stand out pa siya lalo. So, just a little bit of glitter. For the face, gagamit ako ng gagamit ako ng color corrector. Kasi yung eye bags ko hindi nagpapatinag. Sobrang lala na nila. And yung peach fuzz ko din, hindi pa ako nakakapag-shave. Yeah. Yan. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. And, yeah. So, I'm gonna use a brush first para hindi ako masobrahan sa paglalagay. Lalo na nagawa ko na yung aking brows. Kaya, I have to be careful.
It's only with what you go through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Together. Oh, day it's true. I wanna be down. I know.
Of course, for my concealer, what's new, yung pa rin gagamitin ko.
I wanna be down with you. Together. Oh, day it's true. I wanna be down. I know.
Now, I'm just gonna lightly set everything in place, and I'm just gonna use a brush and then loose powder from Nichido as usual. Puti ko, tignan. Oh my god, sorry guys. Pero promise, sobrang sakto lang ng shade sa akin. Talagang nasa harap lang talaga ako ng bintana, kaya ganyan kalala. Magba-bronze na ako. Kasi we need to bronze. Medyo maputla na tayo. I'm just gonna use my butter bronzer. And of course, yung gilid ng nose. Kasi hindi pati yung nose contour ha. Ano lang to, parang iba-bronze ko lang yung gilid ng nose. Para hindi harsh yung pag-contour mamaya. Okay, so now I already did my blush. And medyo nag-bake ako ng bronzer para malinis siya tignan. So I'm gonna proceed with the lower lash part. Hala, hindi ko alam. Pero, yan. So, I'm just gonna get a brush na medyo flat. It's actually flat, hindi siya medyo flat. Ano, yung purple na lang. Para medyo deep din yung kulay niya.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something.
And I'm just gonna match yung sa ilalim dun sa taas. So, I'm gonna get the blue. So, ito, yung blue ulit na shimmer. And then, of course, wet it.
The kind of girl that you could be down for.
So, yan. And then, I'm gonna blend, I'm gonna blend it again with the purple shade para medyo naman subside yung blue. And then, papatungan ko din siya ng yellow shade para lalong mag-pop yung para mag-open up yung mata ko mismo. So, there. Do a waterline with a white liner. It's to open up my eyes even more.
The kind of girl that you could be done.
Okay, so lashes are done and we are gonna proceed with the highlight. So I'm just gonna brush off my bake. I'm gonna use this.
Look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for it.
I'm gonna put on some lipstick. So this is the color Jolt Matte Intense Lip Paint by Maybelline, and this is in the shade How Bare You. So this is just a really nude lips kasi sobrang dramatic na nung mata, kaya hindi ko na siya lagyan na red lip pa, di ba? And then I'm just gonna put this.
I wanna be down with you, down with
Maglalagay ako ng lip gloss. And this is from MAC. Okay, so this is the final look. And very bold eyes with a really nude lip. And with the hoop earrings. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you again on my next video. Bye!